Welcome to Talk Law Radio with attorney Todd Marquardt of the Marquardt Law Firm at marquardtlawfirm.com.
Welcome back to Talk Law Radio. I'm Todd Marquardt here today, April 6th, 2024, live on the radio talking about trustees, how to decide which trustee to use, how to choose a trustee, whether it be a person or a corporation or a financial institution. And this is our fourth segment today, and so we're going to talk about legacy.
And now, it's time for the Talk Law Radio Legacy Spotlight. What's your legacy? Sponsored by Marquardt Law Firm.
Today I want to talk about Lee Greenwood. You've probably heard him mentioned in the news recently because presidential candidate Donald J. Trump is selling, or at least endorsing, a Bible that has Lee Greenwood in it. I bought it because I wanted to see what all the hype was about, and it's the King James version. I read from it in the previous segment when I was talking about Matthew 25:14. But what I didn't know, I didn't hear on the news or the radio, some additional features that this Bible has. In the back, it has the beginning of the chorus of Lee Greenwood's song, God Bless the USA. It says, I'm proud to be an American where at least I know I'm free, and I won't forget the men who died who gave that right to me, and I'd gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. So he has that printed in his writing, his handwriting, with his printed signature there. Then it also has the Declaration of Independence for the United States, dated July 4th, 1776. Then it has the Constitution printed out. And it has the first 10 amendments, the Bill of Rights. And so I kind of like this because I usually talk about the Constitution and I usually talk about the Bible. So now I have both. I usually don't read the King James version, but maybe I'll have to bring a different version in conjunction. But the reason I wanted to talk about this in the legacy segment is because that song is very well known, and I think that that's going to be part of his legacy. I read that it was written 40 years ago, and it's still being played today. That's how you know a song is good, is because it keeps being played over and over and over.
This has been Talk Law Radio with attorney Todd Marquardt, brought to you by the Marquardt Law Firm. You can learn more at marquardtlawfirm.com. And be sure to listen to the full Talk Law Radio show Saturday mornings at 11 on 9:30 a.m. The Answer.
Each week, attorney Todd Marquardt talks about the law. His mission with the Talk Law Radio show and podcast is to help you discover your legal issue blind spots. In the beginning, God had one law. Don't eat from the fruit of that tree. Then came the 10 Commandments. Now we have federal, state, and municipal lawmakers that won't stop creating new laws. Laws that might impact you without you knowing it. Listen to the show and drop a line on Facebook or email host@talklawradio.com and let the host know what you think of the show, the topics you want to hear, and whether you want to be a guest.